Alrighty, so while we wait on that guy, we will go ahead and do a front wheel bearing on this guy. Make sure your vehicle's always chalked up on the correct lift points, the other sides as well. These caps are going to come off with just some Allen screws. That way we don't get crushed. Start by taking these tires off. Go ahead, tap, flip, drop that down. Put that there. Go ahead and grab this. So your hub is actually going to be these 6 on the other side. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts holding it. Pretty straightforward. You just have to remove all this to gain access. Well, first, these are going to be 13mm bolts. We'll pull these guys. Then we'll pull these 21s for this caliper bracket. Have everything off and hanging, and then we'll get to the next step. Go ahead and grab this little hook. I like to do this, I don't put any pressure on the any pressure on those brake lines. Cool. It's kind of a tight brake pad there. Pull that guy out. You'll notice these have these little beveled edges. These don't. It's to have room for these cutouts. Don't put your pads in backwards. You'll have lots of problems, guys. Let's go ahead and do this.
We got two, 1, 2, 3, 4.
There we go. Okay, back to it. 21 mil. We're taking it off. These guys are pretty tight, so nice and easy. Set this guy here. Grab this guy so we don't have to use our fingers. Lefty loosey, guys. 1. Go ahead. Let that guy come down into your hand. Set it right here. There you go. 21 mil. That guy's on there pretty good. We'll go on here. This tends to get froze up on there. You see, you can't wiggle it. We'll go ahead and get a good little pound. Look at that. Ooh. We'll set that down. Set it this side down. I'm gonna set it lug side down so you don't scratch that rotor surface at all. And here we are. This is our hub exposed. You'll notice we got an ABS sensor running through here. It's really good to go ahead and pull this dust shield out of the way, pull this sensor out, and then we can snatch our hub. Okay, these are going to be 8mm bolts. Organization is key, guys. Make sure it's on full power. Snatch that one. Snatch that one. Hold that. And there you go. Set you guys there so you don't lose them. You got an Allen key here. You can use a Torx bit if you don't have an Allen. Just make sure it fits really, really good. You don't want to strip those threads. This is the one I used for the wheels. I was hoping to get lucky there. Let's see, what do we got here? Look at it. 5 mil. It is a 5. So we will keep everything organized. Take that screw, put that there. Set that guy there. Wiggle, wiggle. gently. You don't want to break this guy. It's got some grease on it. It's not too dirty. Tuck this guy up out the way. These guys are looking to be 18 millimeters. So let's go grab an 18 and see if we got a good fit. Nailed that. Remember, we're taking it off. Try it off. Let's see, sometimes you might need a stronger wrench than this. Switch this guy out and get 18 like we did before. So, you don't want to get stuck there. So just buzz it a little bit. There you go, you see? I'm also just going to barely take them out so I can get some pressure. Sometimes these hubs are sealed in there pretty good. So we'll get our big Ugga Dugga. Ooh. And then we'll see if we can, this might be loud. That guy's in there pretty good. Come around this back side. We're not moving very far there. We'll go in there and we'll pull these bolts out now. It's okay to drop one. We'll put some penetrating oil. See if we can get that to loosen up. We'll go get a big Ugga Dugga, a persuader. Seems like a good one. Looks like it's starting to separate here, if you guys can see that. Just keep persuading it. It's eventually going to listen to you. We'll try something else now. We got some separators here. See if we can get it to separate just a little bit at a time. Okay, now we're moving in group. Go a little bit down here. Okay, this one should do it, guys. Oh, there we go. There's our hub. As you can see, lots of surface rust in there. This is a pretty clean truck too, so it just shows you that you never know what's going to happen inside here metal. We'll go ahead and clean this up really well before we install our new one. We're going to be doing the same on both sides. So tools for cleaning this, simple. You just want to go ahead and get a little bit in there. You don't got to go crazy here. Just get some lubey in there. Yes, yes, yes. Something that fits pretty good. So the idea here is if you don't get all this surface dirt off when you put the hub on, I mean, it's going to seal, but it could have a slight wobble to it. So just to be perfect, do all the extra steps. I'm using just a standard wire bristle here. Doesn't have to be anything crazy abrasive. I'm just going to make sure that surface is nice and smooth. Let's switch it out. We'll go to a smaller one here. Hit that like that. Another thing I like to do, grab a little bit of brake clean, grab a nice rag, go ahead and hit that guy. Get that surface nice and clean. There we go. Also, for the next person that has to do it in the future of the life of this vehicle, grab a little bit of this anti-seize. Nothing crazy. This is going to stop and prevent that rust. You just use what you got there and spread it all out. Use that same starting amount and just make sure it's nice and spread. That way you don't overkill it. It's a pretty one right there, guys. And whatever residual, the hub's going to push it out the back, so don't freak out about it. It's okay. Alrighty, so we got our parts in. We'll go ahead and take this off. Take a peek. Confirm that it's the same. This one came with an ABS sensor. That's nice of them. We appreciate it. Go ahead and reverse order the same thing we did to take it out. Nice and snug there. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolt. Line that guy up. Line that guy up. Righty tight. We'll just snug them first. Make sure they're all nice and snug. Then we'll come back through. They don't need to be mega tight, but you can get some good power on those guys. There you go. you'll see it's got that factory ABS sensor already routed, and it's right here. Go ahead and one-hand it, and then we will pop these clips out after. If you do happen to get things messed up, remember, right hand side. Just finger snug everything. Make sure it always starts by finger. You don't want to blast it in there and cross thread the bolts. Hey Meta, stop recording. Alright. I like using a long extension. That takes away my torque. I won't tighten any further than that. That way nothing breaks. Everything's solid. Go ahead and pull that guy. Set that right there for now. Sometimes I just want to verify that everything is right. Alright, we'll pull these clips out here. There you go, there's one. A little bit of finesse on these guys. There we go. Hold. No, I'll go right back up in the same place as these were. That's that, that's that. Make sure you get a good clip. I don't know what that one is, but we'll put it back too. Let's see if that's a little different. No, it's the same. Get things started. That guy's good. Manufacturer made that a little tight, but it's okay. That'll work. Just make sure we're clearing everything there. Go ahead and get this guy down. Usually on your brackets, this side is going to face on this side. The bolts are always going to be on the back. Sometimes you'll see this go this way, but it's very rare. Start everything by finger. Go ahead and just a little bit there. Nothing crazy. Remember, it's a big wrench, so Just make sure everything's clean. Put our pads right back in the way we took them out. Buttons in the back. Make sure the pins are good. These should go right back on without having to press anything because we didn't do anything with the brakes. There we go. Finger start. Go ahead and grab a little wrench real quick just to check. That's good right there. Tight, clip, 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 tight, 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 tight. Side goes back on, you're good to go.